Green banana flour is quickly gaining popularity among product developers because of its amazing health benefits as an easy alternative to traditional flour. Hello, I'm Gary Green, CEO of Seawind Foods, and I'll be sharing 5 advantages of using green banana flour in your current or future recipe. Gluten-free banana flour is made from green bananas that have been dried and ground into a fine powder, which makes it extremely versatile. It can be used in baking recipes as a one-to-one replacement for wheat flour. Green banana flour has a number of health benefits, including being high in potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. It's low on the glycemic index, meaning it won't cause a spike in blood sugar levels like other flours might. Plus, it can be used to make powdered smoothie products, pancake mixes, soup thickeners, and more. Want to test out the best alternative for gluten-free products? Get a sample now.